Poco has unveiled the F6 series smartphones in the global markets. It includes the Poco F6 and Poco F6 Pro. The F6 and F6 Pro are rebranded variants of the Redmi Turbo 3 and Redmi K70 Pro that are available in China. Poco F6 Pro with two colors variant black and white. The Poco F6 Pro will come with a 6.67-inch WQHD Plus AMOLED display, a 120Hz refresh rate, with a higher peak brightness of 4000 nits, an in-display fingerprint sensor. Is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 SoC, with 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 1TB storage UFS 4.0 on board. And it runs Android 14. The camera is a decent upgrade over last year's model. Poco F6 Pro feature a triple rear camera system, 50-megapixel primary, 8-megapixel ultrawide, 2-megapixel macro, and 16-megapixel selfie. The handset pack a 5000 mAh battery and 120W fast charging support. Poco F6 Pro priced at $449 for the 12/256GB model. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.